Welcome to ServiceNow India. Today we are here to learn search techniques regarding ServiceNow data in the list view. Let's see how to search the data in different ways to get the data in different modulations. Okay, let's click on filter navigator. You can go through any table like whatever you want. I'm just going for user table here. For first example, sys underscore user dot list, which allows you to create open the list of user records in the next tab. Right now we are seeing the user ID, name and email. For example, if I type yes here without mentioning anything, if I click on enter, it will show or it will populate only the records which consists of S as a first name, like in the first place. Okay. For example, if I mention as SA here, if I click on enter, it shows or it filters the records which consists of SA as a starting. You can see for all records, the name is starting with SA only. Without mentioning anything, if you want to search, like if you mention anything here, it will take it as the first letter should be mentioned there. For example, it goes for email also, not for only the name. If you go for email, if you want to mention C here, if I click on enter, it will sort the data which consists of as a first letter as C regarding this email column. Okay. If I mention here as CU here, if I click on enter, it will show only the records which consists of CU as a starting for the email column. Then we learn the other thing, how to search the data. Let's see. Click on enter to modify the filters. Right now, I just show you like for S, I click on enter, it will show in the S data. If I click on A again, then it is showing data of some 11 records. Let's see some different thing here. Just input equal to here before SA. Okay, then click on enter. It is showing nothing here. Okay, for example, enter again. If I want to show the values like star SA, click on enter. It is showing the records which consists of SA in between the name also. Okay, in between the name along with starting name also. You can see like Isaac is SA here and SA for Sharat Chandra here and SA here in the last, Melissa and Rosalia and Lesa, and we have Sadat SA, and we have something called Sakurai SA. If you mention asterisk before the characters, it is called wildcard search. Okay, I'll write in the notepad for your reference. These are called wildcard search filters. Okay, first one will be just giving what you want. Like if I want to mention only the names which consists of only the letter called S as a first letter, then I can just mention as S. After mentioning A here, it will show only the record which consists of SA as a first letter in the first name. And then if you mention star SA, it will show the data which consists of in between the names. Okay, in between the names. If I mention something called AB here, it will show the data which consists of AB as a starting. If I mention star before the AB, like the hashtag symbol, if I click on enter, it will show the data which consists of AB in the middle of the names also. You can see like cab approval is showing as AB here, and Abraham as a starting, and here for the gap row it is showing for the second format. You can go for any values here by using this hashtag word. Okay, and the hashtag word means called the contains. Hashtag stands for contains. Okay, then we have something called next thing, exclamatory mark, and it's nothing but exclude the containing or containing fields, containing specific values. Let's see how it works. Remove this path. If I mention star AB or asterisk AB, it shows the values which consist of AB in between the names. Okay, you can see here it is showing as AB here in between the names for Laboy. For example, if I mention asterisk like exclamatory mark, asterisk and AB, it's called not AB. If I click on enter, it shows the values which doesn't consist of AB letter in between the words. Okay, you can see no AB is repeated here in the name. Okay, among the 638 records, we are having the records which are showing without AB in between the names, like continuously. If I mention something called not equal, like not asterisk Li, you can see like Galileo is showing here, Galileo Li. If I click on enter, it doesn't show the Galileo value. Clear? It is a significance of this not and asterisk value. It is called exclude what we mentioned here. Okay. For example, I go for this email also, not asterisk. Just mention LDAP here. Like I don't want LDAP to see here, like LDAP. Click on enter. It doesn't shows the LDAP values here in the email ID among this 618 records. For example, I don't want this Gmail also. You can search the Gmail keyword here. Like I enter the Gmail keyword and it doesn't show the values which consists of Gmail. You can search for an entire thing. It doesn't populate the Gmail values here. If I mention example here, like example, as it is having the multiple email values, it shows like 29 records among 638 records. Okay, then we'll come towards the next wildcard search filter. Equal to. Equal to stands for exact match. I'll do for it the incident table. Let's see how it will be. Filter navigator incident dot list, and you can see we are having some almost 119 records, and we have something called category equal to software, category equal to inquiry or help database. If you want to go for a particular record, equal to mention the value what you want to filter. If I click on equal to software, it is showing only the software records. If you mention any other value called as hardware, if I click on enter, it shows only the hardware records here. Equal to is nothing but exact match value, okay, or exact matching thing. And then we have something called as not equal to, like opposite to the equal to. Exclude the match result or exclude the match word. Let's see how it will be. If I mention not here before this query, if I click on enter, then it will show only the records which doesn't consist of hardware. Not equal to hardware is nothing but other than hardware, show other things. Okay, show other records. And then we have something called as the final one, word percentage the same what we see in this path, like regarding this thing. It gives exact, or it gives the results. It gives the results. Which starts with word which you give. Like what we see in the first example, let's see with this path. Like here we have the caller value, we have something called description. Let's check with the description. Remove this not equal to and everything. Click on enter, and we have something called 119 records here. Go for short description and enter any word. Like I need something called test percentage. Click on enter. It is showing the exact matching words which are starting with text keyword here. Okay, if I go for directly as, go for caller, just type yes and percentage. Click on enter. It will show only the records which consists of first letter as is regarding with this caller value. Go for next page also. It shows only the values which consists of S as the first letter. And then the next thing we have called as percentage word. It is word percentage and it is percentage word. The same thing, the opposite thing happens. It gives results, it gives the results which ends with word which you give or which you mention. Let's see how it works. For example, I want to search for Raj here, like RAJ we have. Just mention percentage RAJ. It will show only the records which are ending with RAJ. Okay, I'll just go with another example here. If you want to go with work here, like with the words which ends with work, go for percentage and just mention as work here. Click on enter. Like it will show only the records which are ending with work keyword. If you mention percentage after the work, it shows the words which are starting with work keyword. If you mention the percentage in front of the word, it will show as a ending part. Okay, like these are called as the wildcard search filters in ServiceNow, which allows you to sort the data or search the data regarding your requirement. Thanks for your time. Jai Hind.